you confused between if I were or if I was? Come on, let's understand. If I were. If I were used for completely imaginary or unreal situations. Things that are not true. Example, if I were the Prime Minister of India, I would gift iPhones to all Indians. Similar examples, if I were rich, I would travel the world, but I am not rich. Next, if I were you, I would study harder, but I am not you. So, if I were used to imagine something different from reality. Next, if I was. If I was used for past facts or possible situations that might have happened. Example, if I was rude yesterday, I am sorry. It really could have happened. I am sorry if I was rude yesterday. Next, if I was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. If I was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Similar example, if I was late, it was because of traffic. Some things that might have happened really happened, that might have really happened. Then you should use if I was. Next example, if I was helpful, share this video with your friends. So, I think to understand where to use if I were and if I was. Next, don't get confused between if I were or if I was. Follow for more updates. Bright Mind English. Keep learning, keep growing. Like, share, comment for Bright Mind English growth. Thanks.